Hello everybody, today we're going to be making creamy garlic chicken. This is a recipe similar to the fried chicken scallops that we have made as well, so if you want to go check those out you can, but these have a specific garlic twist to them. So to start off, you're going to get 8 chicken tenders and you're going to use a mallet to get them as flat as possible. Then we're going to place them on parchment paper, and also my mom is doing everything that you're going to see in the following steps on both sides of the chicken. She's just not showing her flipping them over every time, but make sure to flip them over. So, you put salt on one side, flip them over, salt on the other side. You're also going to be adding actually a lot of spices. So salt, pepper, garlic powder to be specific, onion powder, paprika, and then you're going to go ahead and massage that all in. This time, instead of just leaving it flat on top, you want to try to get it really into the chicken tender. Both sides. Then you're going to prepare their coat. So on a separate placemat or on another surface, add your flour and your cheese, and then just mix that a little bit. And then you're just going to directly put the chicken tenders on top of this mix. No need for egg wash or anything like that this time though. So do that with all of your chicken tenders. And then set it aside because we're going to be frying them momentarily. Then in a pan, you're going to add olive oil. And then you're going to place your chicken tenders, and then the heat will turn up, and you're going to turn them around when they become a nice brown color from the bottom. And it's nice to fry anything in olive oil because it is healthier than other types, like hydrogenated, or also the canola oil that a lot of people use for frying. And then at the end, after you finish frying them, we're going to use this pan one more time. First, you're going to melt down 3 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to throw in 10 cloves of garlic as well. And this is going to be the sauce that we're going to put on top of our chicken. So do not throw this pan in the sink just yet, because then you're going to make some more with it. So do that, and then add 3 tablespoons of flour. And actually, similar to the white sauce that my mom has made on the channel as well, you can just go check that sauce out as well. But similar to that sauce, adding the flour makes it so that it's actually a lot creamier at the end. So add the flour in the beginning to make it creamier in the end, and add everything in steps, and don't just pour everything in all at once. So yeah, similar like thought process. You're also going to add vegetable broth powder, and if you guys want to see how to make your own vegetable broth powder, click the video in the upper right hand corner to be able to do that and know exactly what's going into your sauce. And then you're going to add some cream. And once that's mixed in, you want to add a half cup of Parmesan cheese. And then finally, all of your chicken tenders. And let those sit for a little bit and cook as well, one more time. And while that's happening, you can focus on making your mashed potatoes. My mom usually likes to make mashed potatoes with chicken. I'm sure you could also serve this with rice or just any sort of carbohydrate side, but we really like mashed potatoes, so yeah. Go ahead and let those boil, and then you can use a fork to test out to see if they're mushy enough to mash. Like that, when it's able to break apart very easily, you can finally take it off the heat, strain the water, and start to mash it down. And we just add salt and butter to our mashed potatoes because honestly, like, less is more. I feel like when it comes to potatoes, I really like it when they actually taste like potatoes and not like a million other flavors. So yeah. And you can do that in the same pot. And once those are done, that's it. You can shape it into this nice little donut that my mom did to plate it up. And that's it. We hope you guys enjoy making this dish, and happy garlic creamy chickening. Bye!